Chess Olympic How to Play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to be the first player to checkmate your opponent's super king. Replace each queen with an Amazon and each king with a super king. Amazons have the combined movement of a queen and knight. Super kings have the combined movement of a king and knight. Super kings are allowed to castle. Super kings have all the same rules as a regular king regarding check and checkmate, except with this additional rule. You are allowed to move your super king to attack your opponent's super king so long as your super king is protected by a friendly piece. When you do this, your opponent's super king may not attack your super king, and it is treated as a check or checkmate and must be responded to accordingly. When a white pawn is on the 4th to 8th row, or a black pawn is on the 1st to 5th row, then those pawns have the ability to move backwards 1 square, but they may not capture backwards. When a pawn reaches its farthest row, it may promote to a piece your opponent has already captured, including an Amazon. You do not need to promote a pawn on the farthest row if you don't want to or can't. In such a case, you can promote it on either player's future turn when a piece is available and you choose to. Doing so does not count as your move. The first player to checkmate their opponent's super king wins.